If there's one thing that you need to know about me, it's that I do not like being outside. The mosquitoes. I got bit. The dust. The bacteria. My shoes got wet, and now they are slimy. Where am I supposed to go to the bathroom? It's all disgusting.
It's so hot.
Oh, I don't like it.
Tisha, what's that smell?
It's me, okay? This is my outdoor smell. But for this Labor Day, Jared took me camping. It is approximately 4 o'clock in the morning. Jack decided that he needed to go potty, and so I had to let him out. I am exhausted. This is going to be a really interesting weekend. I'm gonna go back to bed and see if I can get some more sleep before morning. I'll see you then. All joking aside, I actually really enjoyed going camping, despite the dust and the mosquitoes, and Jack needing to go potty at 4 o'clock in the morning. But with that said, I am sweaty, I'm hot, smelly. I can appreciate nature, but I'm gonna go inside and take a shower. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next week. So gross.